In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide mouse pointer in Bluestacks Free Fire. If your mouse cursor keeps showing up while you're trying to aim, it usually means shooting mode or the cursor lock isn't active. The good news is, you can fix it quickly with the built-in key controls. Start with the fastest and most reliable fix, enabling shooting mode. Launch BlueStacks 5, open Free Fire, and once you're in the game, press the F1 key on your keyboard. This toggles shooting mode on. When it's active, the Windows mouse pointer disappears and your mouse movement directly controls your aim. If you notice the cursor show up again, make sure your game window is active and press F1 once more to relock it. If F1 doesn't seem to stick, check your game control settings to confirm the cursor lock is enabled. Click the keyboard icon on the right side of BlueStacks to open game controls, then choose Advanced Editor. Find the shooting mode or aim control in the layout. Ensure mouse lock is enabled and that the toggle is set to work with F1 or right click, depending on your preference. After confirming those settings, click Save and restart the game if needed so the changes fully apply. Sometimes the mouse can get stuck outside the game window, especially after Alt-tabbing. When that happens, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F8 to temporarily free the mouse, then press F1 again inside the game to relock it. This quick two-step sequence brings your aim control back without restarting. If your controls feel bugged or out of sync after updates or changes, resetting can help. Open the Game Controls panel again and select Reset to Default. This restores the standard Free Fire mapping, including shooting mode, so F1 should lock the mouse the way it's supposed to. Here are a few common issues and quick confirmations. If the mouse pointer is still visible during gameplay, press F1 again while the game window is in focus. If the mouse isn't locking to the screen, double-check that shooting mode is enabled in the controls editor and saved. And if the cursor appears when you're clicking menus or the lobby, that's normal. The lock is designed for gameplay, not navigation. For smoother matches, get into the habit of pressing F1 before the countdown starts, use full screen mode to improve mouse capture, and keep BlueStacks updated if you continue to see mouse-related glitches. Follow these steps and you'll keep the pointer out of sight with clean locked aiming every time.